Hello, everyone. I'm Daniel,
And I'm Zach.
and welcome to our YouTube channel. I can't talk. I used to do a podcast. Now this is weird with video.
Welcome to our podcast in audio and video format.
Welcome to our video podcast. Anyway, we live here in Florida, and we recently got into pin trading. And there used to actually be another board right there that just fell down like about 5 minutes ago. So just pretend like there's another board up there. This is our measly little collection that we're starting here. So we're just now starting to get into some pin collecting. And we made this channel because we like to do kind of crafty things with the pin board. So we've got a lot of ideas to make some pin boards in the future that maybe you might enjoy seeing or doing. I'm just babbling now. But what we're going to do right now is tomorrow, March 16th, we're heading to Animal Kingdom, and our lanyards are running low on pins. So I thought we would open a couple of mystery bags here just to kind of get the swing of things, kind of see what's going on here. So I have the Disney Mascots collection, which is 16 different pins with the mascots, and you have...
I have what appears to be the Scar versus Simba pack, but is probably actually the Heroes versus Villains pack. It doesn't actually say.
Yeah, I've heard it. I've heard it called both things. So let's see.
This one is also a 16-pin collection.
Okay, great. So we're going to open these now. Are you happy with your selection, or do you want the Disney mascots?
I can take it or leave it.
Okay. All right, so the Disney, you're going to be opening this one here. Any particular ones that you're hoping to get here?
Maybe the Ursula one. I already have the Cruella de Vil one. Honestly, none of these are too terribly appealing. Maybe the Pongo and Perdita one, just because I do have that 101 Dalmatians mini collection that I'm starting. So
cool. I will be opening up the Disney Mascots one. I think the ones that I'm hoping to get here are either the two of the Figments, either the Dream Finder Figment one or the Electricity Figment one.
And if we open either of those, you're going to put it on my Figment board, correct?
Possibly. I already have some of these other ones, but this is all kind of, we bought these, by the way, at Booster Packs and Beyond over in Orlando, so we did not pay the full price for these. As you can see here, I paid $18 for this one and $15 for that one. So
retail price on both
worth $27.99.
Is $27.99.
Yeah, so a good deal to be had there. These are unopened official Disney pens here, which makes it great to put on your lanyard to trade with folks, because that way we win. So go ahead and snip the top off of yours.
Do I need to do it?
And I will snip the top off of mine. No peeking. No peeking.
I'm not peeking. I'm opening the bag all the way because I fail at using scissors.
Zach special with scissors. Okay. Do you want to go first? Or you want me to go first?
You go first.
It's my birthday month, so I will go first. All right, here we go. I'm going to grab...
Was there any actual choice there, or was that just the illusion of choice?
That was the illusion of choice. Okay, looks like we have pulled out, the Mickey's Maestros. The PhilharMagic Maestros is the pen that we have there. What do you think of that?
From
PhilharMagic.
Mickey's PhilharMagic, which should really actually be named Donald's PhilharMagic.
Yeah, exactly. Mickey's in that film for like 45 seconds.
That's cute. It fits the theme. It's very shiny.
Excellent. All right, let's see what you got. Hold it up. You got... Do you know who that is?
I don't.
That is the villain from King Arthur, the Sword in the Stone. That is the villain from the Sword in the Stone. So Merlin's nemesis, who I cannot think of right now. Let's try this. Hey, Alexa, who was Merlin's nemesis in Sword in the Stone?
Here's something I found from the article list of Merlin characters on Wikipedia. In The Sword in the Stone, Arthur and Merlin ran away to Merlin's hometown where they met Gwen again and after seems to forgive her. Did that answer your question?
No.
No. All right, yeah. Alexa, helpful as always. Anyway, so there you go. Very nice. So that now you have something to trade.
I have a pin of a villain whose name we do not know.
I'll put it here.
Here? There?
Now you know and we don't. Well, future us will know, but... All right, pin number 2 coming out of my bag. I got the MK Shooting Stars, so the Magic Kingdom Shooting Stars, which is Cinderella's castle with some fireworks going off outside of it.
That seems like a very odd choice for a mascot, given that it's an inanimate object.
Yeah, but this is supposed to be like
things that you associate with the kingdom.
Yeah,
with
a
the
team,
Disney parks.
As if a sports team was named after something in the parks.
That makes sense.
So the Magic Kingdom Shooting Stars, or the MK Shooting Stars. So yay for that.
And we have Maleficent.
You have Maleficent.
In her dragon form, looking appropriately menacing. Thankfully, not actually on fire.
I actually do like that. At work, our programming teams are named after different colors, and the black team calls himself Black Dragon. So I gave them all Maleficent pin before, so this is actually better than the one I gave them. So because they don't deserve anything better.
No.
There you go. All right, 2 for 2 here. Let's see. Neither one of us have gotten either of the ones that we want yet, right?
I was going back and forth on the Maleficent pin. Honestly, I can take or leave any of these. None of these are particularly desirable outside of the couple of the ones that we want.
Okay.
Take that line out.
You ready?
Yes.
I got a Figment pin! Yay! I got the Imagination Institute Dream Finder pen. Look at that. It's Figment and the Imagination Institute. Now, you are new to Disney. Like, I was born and raised here in Florida, so I've been to all these parks a long time ago. And your only experience with Journey into Imagination is the most current incarnation of that ride.
Yes,
so
I have...
you've never seen Dream
I
Finder.
can't say I've never seen Dreamfinder because everything's on YouTube now, but
it's true.
I was not around for the original incarnation of Journey into Imagination with Dreamfinder.
Yeah, we didn't have high-res video back there, so most of the videos you see on YouTube of the original Journey into Imagination is very blurry, which has nothing to do with the equipment. We didn't see well back then. It was just hazy. Anyway, next pin, hold it up.
We have
Cruella.
Cruella de Vil.
Cruella de Vil. That was one of the ones you wanted, right?
I already have this one, I think.
That's not one of the ones you want. What do I know?
I heard that if she doesn't scare you, no evil thing will.
To see her is to get a certain chill.
Is it a certain or a sudden?
Alexa? No, never mind.
Don't ask her questions. She's useless.
All right. Fourth pen. This is exciting, isn't it? I can tell. Our cats are very excited about this whole thing. I got the Soarin' Sky Gliders. The Soarin' Sky Gliders. I love Soarin'. I don't know that I love this pin. It's very plain.
It takes what is a very... I don't want to say epic because I feel like that word's overused, but it takes what is a very immersive experience and kind of distills it down into something that is
a really crappy pin.
Very plain and very boring.
Yeah, I would not trade for this pin. Like I would do.
You would trade that pin.
I know. I'm saying I wouldn't trade for it. That's definitely a trade right there.
We have 2 left, and I can't tell what they are.
Well, that's because they're all circular.
Yes. Oh, it's generic Prince Eric looking very...
Wait, he can't be generic if he has a name. I mean, it's Prince Eric from Little Mermaid, right?
So it's Prince Eric looking very generic.
Okay, great. It's Prince Eric. Not somebody that you want... Oh, my. Our cat likes Prince Eric. That's her favorite. All right, last pin from the Disney Mascots collection.
What's the name of that collection again?
It's the Disney thing. What is it? I don't know. It is... Oh, it's the Test Track Drive. I feel like it should be called the Test Track Drivers, don't you? Like if there was going to be a team name? Like the Drivers? Doesn't that make more sense than Drive?
Yes. I like the pin.
The pin is nice.
I like the pin.
I'm tempted to keep it, but... I don't have as many blank spots on my lanyard as you do. Go ahead. There you go. Those are my 5 Disney... I cannot remember the name of this pack. The 5 Disney mascot pens.
And the last pin from the Heroes versus Villains, Simba versus Scar.
Is...
Scar himself.
Scar. great.
Appropriately neat. I mean, he looks quite menacing. There's actually a lot of good detail on the pin in terms of the outline work. Other than that, it's again kind of plain. But
It is the 25th anniversary of The Lion King this year, so that's probably will be a good one to trade, like maybe at a later pin event. So there you go. Now you have 5 pins for your lanyard. Now you can trade tomorrow.
Hopefully trade for things that I actually want.
So, yeah, we're going to, like I said, we're going to go to Animal Kingdom tomorrow. So now we've got our lanyards restocked here so that we can go tomorrow and hopefully pick up some new pins. So thank you for watching. This is our first video that we made, as you can tell by that we're still working some stuff out. I figured, why not? Why not? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to stick around and see us do some more videos in the future, then make sure to click on the subscribe button. Do all the other stuff that everyone tells you to do. Do the like stuff and whatever. And look down in the doobly-doo, which is, I believe that's what it's called, the doobly-doo. Professor Craig Benzine named it the doobly-doo. I have no way of saying goodbye. Goodbye?
And we'll see you real soon.
Ooh.